Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to replace the LED light driver on your ProCool upright fridge. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the cover plate at the bottom back of the fridge. Step 2. Unplug the connector on the output side of the LED light driver. Step 3. Unscrew the mounting clip and pull out the LED light driver. Step 4. Disconnect the blue and gray input connectors. Step 5. Take the new LED light driver and plug the gray and blue connectors back into their original spots. Step 6. Secure the new LED light driver in place. Step 7. Reconnect the output connector. Step 8. Finally, reinstall the bottom back cover. The above are the steps on how to replace the LED light driver. Thank you for watching. As always, we appreciate your support for ProCool. If you have any problem during use, you can contact us for help.